Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover creators and get inspired from their filters and works on the 24fps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the search or discover buttons, and here if you are interested in any of these filters you can tap on it, and the name of the creator will appear to you. So tap on his or her username and you will be directed to their page where you can check out their created filters that you can use. You can follow them by tapping on the follow button. If you go back, you can also discover new creators by tapping on the search icon. If you click on one of these keywords that you can also type into the search bar, and if you tap on the users option at the top of the screen, which is the third category, you will be able to check out users that are relevant to this keyword, their username. So tap on the one that you are interested in and you can check out their filters. This keyword will also help you to find relevant filters. So if you tap on the filters category, which is the second one at the top, you can check out filters, tags, and collections as well. So that's how you can explore new filters. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.